Well, good morning. Chef Jeff back for another run. I'm almost done. And I'll tell you, I'm at 17.61 miles, which is 1.61 miles record for me. I'm trying to go for 18. And what I'm trying to teach myself, is here you are, I'm tired. I'm close to the end, I can see my car. But the tendency, I think, for me, maybe it is for you, is when you're getting close to the goal, getting close to the end of the run, you start to act tired. Like your head drags, your arms flop, like your body goes out of control. But if you say stop doing that, stand up straight, run it out like with some integrity, the run just gets easier. It just goes back to being where it was before you acted tired. So some of that, I think, is just, what we do to ourselves. And that can go in other areas of life too. Like you get home from work and you're tired. You can come in and act tired, and not take care of your kids or make your wife do all the hard work or something. Or you can put your head up and just walk through it like you mean it. And it does get better. Everything is easier that way because it's just an act. And, I know we pay a lot of people, people get paid a lot of money to act on TV, but acting in real life just gets you poor results. So if you're gonna act anything, act like you can do it. Act like you're a marathoner. Act like you're an ultra runner. Act like you're a multi-millionaire business owner. Act like it. And then do those things. Next thing you know, you'll be across that finish line. All right, till the next run.